In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable inventory tracking on Shopify store in 2024. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on tracking for a product so Shopify can count stock for you, prevent overselling, and display accurate availability to customers. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the home base where you manage your store. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Products. This takes you to a list of everything you sell, including drafts, active items, and variants. If you have a lot of products, use the search bar or filters to quickly find what you need. Next, open the product you want to track. In our example, we'll use a classic long sleeve, but you can choose any item from your catalog. Clicking into the product opens its detail page, where you control pricing, media, variants, and most importantly for today, inventory settings. On the product page, scroll to find the inventory section. This is where you enable tracking. Click the option to track quantity. Turning this on tells Shopify to count stock for this product and automatically reduce the number as orders come in. If you see a setting related to selling when out of stock, leave it off if you want Shopify to stop sales at zero, or turn it on only if you intentionally allow back orders. With tracking enabled, make sure you're assigning inventory to the correct location, such as your warehouse or retail store. If your store has multiple locations, select the one that actually holds the product. Then, enter the on-hand quantity for that location. This number should reflect what you physically have available to sell. If you're migrating from another system, double-check counts before saving to avoid overselling or underselling. If your product has variants, like different sizes or colors, open each variant on the same page and apply the same inventory tracking setting there. Each variant can have its own quantity and location, so confirm they're accurate before you finish. Finally, click Save. Saving commits your changes so Shopify can begin tracking stock right away. After saving, it's a good idea to refresh the page and confirm the quantity and tracking status are correct. You can place a test draft order or use the preview to see how the product shows to customers when in stock, low stock, or out of stock. That's it. You've enabled inventory tracking for a product in Shopify. Keep your counts updated as you receive new inventory or make adjustments, and consider using the bulk editor later if you want to update multiple products quickly.